the Anytown show. So, Ostrich Vox told me to react to this and review it. So, cross my fingers this will be good. This will just be the review. But yeah, let's get to the review, shall we? What I really like about this show is the story is always okay in each episode. Don't get me wrong though. Maybe some are amazing. It's just the one I watched was not really impressive. But I really like it because it had really clever writing. I mean, this is the kind of writing you'd get in a movie. Like Toy Story good. That's how good this writing is. Also, even though characters are taken from other shows, they're still likable, while some are hit and miss. Anyways, those are all the positives I had to say. Let's move on to the negatives now. The negatives. You know how I said, even though they took characters from other shows, I kind of felt like that was really lazy. And also, the animation at some points are just kind of lazy. And I wish the characters could talk. Also, some moments they even steal animations from Disney or Warner Brothers just to put it in because they're too lazy to animate it. Those are kind of all the negatives though. Time for the rating. I'd give the Anytown show a 6 out of 10.